Hello guys, good afternoon. Here tayo sa Baybahayan sa Barangay Cuyambay. For as low as 2,500 for 2 packs. Wow! Yung buong transient house. Kaya kung mapasyal kayo sa Tanay, hanapin nyo lang tong Barangay Cuyambay or message me. Highly recommended guys.